I wake up early. I open the windows. I make my bed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I go to the grocery store. I drink a cup of tea. I cook my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I feed my pet. I wash the dishes. I clean the furniture. I sweep the floor. I mop the floor. I take out the trash. I organize my wardrobe. I wash my clothes. I water the plants. I exercise. I take a shower. I comb my hair. I get dressed. I listen to music. I read a book. I work on my computer. I say my prayers. I go to bed.